honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, and I feel completely fine now. Okay, I want to thank you all for your prayers. But I want to show y'all my Rona get up. Okay, I ordered the face shield from Amazon. Came two in a pack, and they come like this. You have to pull this sticker off, and it will pull this shield. It's a plastic covering on here, because this is kind of clear. This is cloudy. So it's a film on here that you have to pull off. And this is how this thing works. It comes flat in the package from Amazon. And you have to snap this on and then slip it over your head. So I'll leave the link for this. I made the mask. I just put rubber bands. I was going to sew it. See my sewing machine sitting there? I'm not going to sew it. I got some fat quarters. You know, that's what people use when they make quilts. I've had these already. Never used them, never took the tags off. All colors. So I'm going to make some masks for my family members. Got rubber bands. Let me take this hot stuff off. I'm hot before I fall out. Woo! And this sits away from the face. It's not flat up against my face. And I got this tied with a shoestring. Phew! So this is how I made it. I just cut the material, put a shoestring through it, put rubber bands on the ends, and that's big enough to fit over my mouth and chin and nose. And I just tie it up high with the shoestring. You can't find elastic anywhere. Now, if you already got the elastic headbands, you can use that. But I don't plan on going out a lot, but when I do, I'm going to have me a few masks. So like I said, you can probably make 4 masks out of 1/4. I cut it, folded it in half. I ain't sewed, I ain't hemmed no edges, I ain't did nothing. And I bought some shoestrings. I think got about 20 bucks. I don't know how many pair of shoestrings this is. It was about $8. I guess y'all want me to demonstrate. Okay, I'll do that. The sewing machine out the way. No sewing involved. Okay. Okay. Oh, and I put one of my things I wash my face with, I put it inside. I cut it. I had some already cut. Yeah, I cut these the clean face club thingamajigs that I clean my face with. So I cut it into 4ths because this is fabric. Some tightly woven fabric. Fold this so you get 4 layers of protection, even though it's not going to prevent you from getting that terrible disease, but it's better than nothing. So, see this here? I'm just going to put this in here and get a shoestring. Where's another one like the one I just had? Oh, here it is. I'm putting this through the shoestring. I'm putting the shoestring through. Let me get all this out the way. So I got the, this is going to be used as a kind of a filter. And I'm putting the shoestring about middle waist. I ain't finished no edges or nothing. I ain't doing all that. Then I just grab up an end and kind of scrunch it and put the rubber band on. You can put any kind of rubber bands on. Since these rubber bands are not actually going over your ears, that's what most people do, put rubber bands over the ears. But if you have to do it a lot, that's going to irritate the rim of your ears. Okay, I got one on here. That's secure. Do the other side. I'm not pleating nothing like, you know, people be putting 3 or 4 pleats. When I scrunch it, that's the pleats to make it stand out enough from your face. So it's not laying flat on your face. I ain't putting no nose bridge or thing in there. Don't need all that. They do make stretchable, well, elastic shoestrings, but I figured this would be better for what I wanted. Plus, these are cheap because you cannot find elastic anywhere. So, unless you want to pull some elastic out your underwear, your bra, whatever, you really don't have to have elastic. So, that's a mask. You can make it to fit a child. You can make it fit a child. I don't want to put this on because it's not going to be for me. But this is just like this one. You can make it different sizes depending on where you place the rubber band. That's it. Because all these masks that people are making, they're not the regular N57 or whatever that mask is you're supposed to have. So I'm going to put this on again. It's simple. Shoestring through here and cut on the ends. I didn't sew nothing. You can. And then I'm going to have a bunch of them so I can just, I don't know if I can throw this in the washer. I don't know if these rubber bands will come off, but I can undo it and remake it. Okay, waiting for that. Okay. That's how it looks. Ain't nobody trying to be cute out here with a mask on. So I'm just tying it up on my head. And the shoestring is long enough. I think this is a 40-inch shoestring. Okay, so that's my mask. And here's my shield. Even though I plan on just staying in the house. So I want to thank you for watching this little short, I guess it's a tutorial on how to make my mask. And no, these are not medical masks. This is just something that's better than nothing. Okay. And I can just take it loose if I want to, throw it in the wash, or try to just throw it in the wash like this after wearing it out. You don't want to come home and then wear the same mask over again. And most people like to figure out a way to distinguish one side from the other. But because I'm only going to wear this one time, both sides can look alike. So that's not important to me. Okay. Got all color shoestrings. All color fabrics. Because I'm going to say I do sew. I used to sew. And I got, Lord have mercy, so much fabric. I got fabric galore. So get you some rubber bands, any size. All you need is the fabric, some scissors, rubber bands, and some shoestrings. Or if you can do like some people do and just put a big enough rubber band on the end and fold it so you can flip it over your ear. But this is more comfortable. Much more comfortable. Quick and easy. Okay, this got lipstick on it, so this is mine. I guess this will fit Walter's face. But I can adjust it to make it bigger for him. So I can still get 4 masks out of each fat quarter. That's what this is called, a fat quarter. A square of fabric, this cotton fabric. You can make 4 masks out of 1 square. That's a pretty fabric. I thought this was pretty. And I'll find a shoestring to coordinate with it. I thought this looks pretty good with this green. Okay, so that's all I want to show y'all. So thanks for watching. Thumbs up, leave me a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I was feeling kind of under the weather for quite a few days. So I want to thank you all for your prayers. I'm fine now. I had a little dry cough. Something was wrong with my throat. I didn't have a sore throat, but it's like I was wheezing in my throat. It wasn't sore. It wasn't a scratchy or itchy throat. It was like a wheeze in my throat. It wasn't in my lungs. So I didn't know what it was. I kept taking my temperature, so I didn't have a fever at all. The highest it got was 99.1. And I was taking it with a meat thermometer because I don't have the regular kind. And you can't find the regular thermometers anywhere. You can't find nothing no more. So the meat thermometer, it works. Even though I know it's not calibrated for humans, but it wasn't too far off, so I'm fine. So I'm getting ready to get in there and cook. I'm trying to decide between making catfish in my air fryer or some nachos or tacos. So I'll figure it out when I get off of this. So y'all be blessed. Stay home and stay safe. Okay, bye. I want to hold up a mask. No. Okay.